Is What Do We Do in the Shadows Season 4 coming soon? The life of another side of humans, vampires, and there is a mockumentary based upon What Do We Do in the Shadows, American horror comedy TV series, based on a 2014 New Zealand film developed by Jaman Clement, the creator of this show also, and Taika Waititi. The story is based in Staten Island on three roommate vampires who have been living together for about 100 years and trying to interact with supernatural beings in the modern world. The series' 3 seasons are streaming right now, so the Vampires fans want to know about season 4. Let's see what is happening. What Do We Do in the Shadows Season 4 release date? FX, the maker of the show, ordered a pilot in 2018, after which the production of season 1 was given, which premiered on 27th March 2019, having 10 episodes. After the release of the first season and seeing the response, it was renewed for season 2, which premiered on 15th April 2020, having 10 episodes. During the airing of the second season, FX renewed the show for the third season, which premiered on 2nd September 2021, having 10 episodes. Even before premiering third season, it was renewed for the fourth season. So the excitement is still on to see Vampires, the fourth installment of the series, which is scheduled for 2022. Season 3 just ended a few days ago, so the platform is set for the fourth season to come and give us the vampire stuff. The show has been quite popular among the fans and also with the critics. Hence, it has quite a few awards and nominations, including winning the New Zealand Cinematographers Society Silver Award and then winning the Imagen Foundation Awards, Online Film and Television Association Awards, then the Hollywood Awards, including 8 awards and include nominations including Critics' Choice Super Awards, Academy of Science Award and Primetime Emmy Award, to name a few. What Do We Do in the Shadows Season 4 cast? Making a show like this requires a great cast. Let's look into it. Kavian Novak plays Nandor the Relentless, once a leader of Al Qalandur in southern Iran. Ottoman's Empire serving warrior and also the oldest vampire, Matt Berry as Laszlo Kravensworth, known as Noble Vampire. Former porn actor was turned to a vampire by his wife Nadja, Natasia Demetriou as Nadja of Antipaxos' wife, and vampire turned to Laszlo, a Greek Romani, remembers human life a lot. Harvey Guillen as Guillermo de la Cruz, suffering vampire of Latin familia, always frustrated. Mark Frost as Colin Robinson, boastful vampire, lives in the basement. The ones recurring are Anthony Atamanayuk as Sean, Beanie Feldstone as Jenna, Doug Jones as Baron Afanas, Nick Kroll as Simon the Devious, Jake McDormand as Jeff Suckler, Veronica Slowiska as Shanice, Kristen Shaw as the Guide or Floating Women. The guest appearances were Arj Barker, Dave Bautista, Alexandra Hendrickson, Vanessa Bayer, Mary Gillis, Jeremy O. Harris, Marcelin Hugo, Gloria Lino, Paul Rubens, James Frayne, Greta Lee, Lucy Punch Benedict Ward, Craig Robinson, Mark Hamill, Lauren Collins, Ida Alvarez, Scott Bakula, Cree Summer, Donald Logue, Khandi Alexander, Ada Torrio, and David Cross. What Do We Do in the Shadows Season 4 plot? Talking about the plot of the show, just a group living together trying to interact with other beings and go on facing some problems just as they are vampires who are about hundreds of years old and now still trying to figure out a way to live, depend and trust beings. Just here beings are the vampires and sometimes humans. What about the floor plot? Season 3 is just ended and now it's renewed for another season as fans want to watch the conflicting vampires with some horror and comedy and try to entertain themselves with that. Just had to for 2021 to get the new season.